lives seem to be getting busier and more stressful all the time. Work weeks are getting longer, commutes more frustrating, and family obligations take up most of our free time. All of these stresses accumulate and take a toll on our physical and mental health. When we combine stress with the fact that many of us have jobs that require sitting at a desk all day, it's not surprising that some of us have trouble with muscle tension and pain. This tension and stress can build up over time, causing symptoms like headaches, neck, back, and shoulder pain, or carpal tunnel syndrome. Preventing tension now is much easier than treating a chronic health problem later. The good news is that there are some simple things that you can do to reduce tension and pain at work and improve your productivity and overall health at the same time. There are 3 steps to improving your workplace health. They are maintaining proper ergonomics, staying mobile, and muscle relaxing stretches. The key to reducing workplace stress is to make sure that your body is always working efficiently. Wasted movements or awkward positions are likely to cause problems down the road. The healthiest position for your body is one where you maintain good posture. By keeping your body in its natural position, you put less strain on your back and neck, and you reduce the chance of stress and strain. Why is posture important? Because your nervous system depends on it for proper functioning. The spine supports your body and protects the spinal cord. Nerves branch out from each segment of your spine, and these nerves travel to different parts of your body. If these nerves become pinched or compressed because of bad posture or muscle tension, they may become irritated. Pressure on the nerves can cause headache, arm pain, carpal tunnel syndrome, back pain, and sciatica. Good posture can reduce the strain on these nerves and prevent these painful conditions. To maintain healthy posture, you need to make sure your work area is arranged correctly. Adjust your monitor so it sits just a bit below eye level. This allows you to hold your head in a relaxed position. Straining your neck looking up, down, or to the side is a sure way to create neck tension and pain. Adjust your chair so that your feet are solidly on the floor. This can prevent back problems. A chair with lumbar support can also relieve strain on your back. Keep your keyboard at the proper level. To do this, have it set so that your elbows are at a comfortable 90-degree angle. If your keyboard and mouse are too high, you'll put extra stress on your neck and shoulders. Also, make sure that your hands and wrists are in a natural position as much as possible. Bending your wrists puts unnecessary strain on your arms and hands. Ergonomic keyboards are available that help you keep your hands in a relaxed position. Using your head to hold the telephone is a common cause of neck pain. If you use the phone often during the day, you should consider a headset. A headset allows you to hold your head upright. Keeping the telephone close at hand could also reduce stress and strain caused by reaching. Proper posture and ergonomics are just the first step. It's also important to keep your body mobile. This can be as simple as getting up from your desk to use the printer, or taking a brisk walk in the middle of the day. Make the most of your break times. Don't eat lunch at your desk. Take advantage of your lunch hour and coffee breaks to get away from your desk and move your body. A 15-minute walk is a great way to relieve stress and improve your health. The third step in reducing workplace tension is stretching. Simple stretches that you can perform right at your desk can dramatically reduce muscle fatigue and pain, but you must follow a few rules. First, if you already have pain, check with your healthcare provider before you perform any stretches. Stretching injured tissues may cause more pain. Second, stretch within your comfort level. If you experience pain during any of these stretches, don't do that stretch. Third, do each of the stretches slowly and steadily. Don't bounce when doing a stretch, but exert even, gentle pressure. Now let's look at some of the common symptoms of workplace tension and see how simple stretches can help prevent them. Headaches are a common symptom experienced by computer users. Headaches can be caused by eye strain from improper lighting or glare on computer monitors or poor ergonomics. Muscle tension is a common cause of headaches and neck pain. Tension in the neck can appear as headache in other parts of the head. The spinal nerves can also become irritated, causing headaches. So, to prevent headaches, it's important to keep your neck in its natural position as much as possible. Here are some stretches that are good at keeping your neck relaxed. Neck rotations are a good way to stretch your neck muscles. First, sit or stand up straight. Turn your head from side to side without moving your shoulders or upper back. Hold each side for 3 to 5 seconds. Repeat 3 to 5 times for each side. Side stretches help stretch the muscles along the side of your neck. Do one side first and then the other. Repeat 3 to 5 times for each side. Shoulder rolls can help loosen up your lower neck. Move both of your shoulders in a circle. Do 5 to 10 rotations. Chin tucks are great for stretching the upper neck. Sit up tall and look straight ahead. Slowly tuck your chin in towards you. Hold for 5 to 10 seconds and then relax. Do these 3 to 5 times. Shoulder shrugs can help you relax your neck. Lift your shoulders up to your ears, hold for at least 10 seconds, and then slowly relax. Repeat 5 to 10 times. For another shoulder stretch, clasp your hands together and reach palms up toward the ceiling. Hold for at least 10 seconds and repeat 5 to 10 times. The eyes can become tired from looking at a computer monitor for hours at a time, and it's important to stretch them as well. A great way to do this is to roll your eyes in circles, first clockwise for 10 rotations, and then counterclockwise for 10 rotations. Back pain is another common problem. A chair with improper support, sitting with poor posture, or having a seat that is improperly positioned can cause back pain. Make sure that your seat is adjusted so that you don't have to bend over to use your computer. Here are some stretches good for your back. Toned abdominals are a good way to prevent back pain. Sit with your hips against the back of your chair and tighten your abdominal muscles by pulling them in. Keep your chest relaxed and continue to breathe normally while you hold the abdominals tight for 10 seconds. Repeat 5 to 10 times. Hamstring stretches can reduce stress in your lower back. Sit with your hips against the back of the chair. Now, straighten your knee until you feel the stretch in the back of your leg. To increase the stretch, lift your toes toward you. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds. Repeat 1 to 2 times for each leg. Low back bends are another stretch that you can perform. Stand with your feet apart and place your hands on your lower back. Gently bend backwards. Hold for 3 to 5 seconds, repeating 1 to 3 times. Next is the side stretch. Drop your left shoulder, reaching your left hand toward the floor. Hold for at least 10 seconds. Return to starting position and then repeat on the right side. Finally, one of the most common problems experienced by office workers is arm, wrist, and hand pain. The muscles in your body are capable of moving your body in many ways, but they can become tense when performing the same task repeatedly or when they aren't stretched and moved. Keeping your hands in one position for long periods of time or performing the same action over and over can overuse the muscles of your arms. This leads to strain of the muscles, swelling of the tissues, and pain. Understanding hand pain is easy when we look at our hand, wrist, arm, shoulder, and neck as one unit. The blood vessels and nerves that supply your hands travel from your neck and shoulder. Tension or inflammation in the neck, shoulder, or arm can cause problems in your hand. Because the arm is so versatile and can move in so many different directions, the nerves and blood vessels that travel through the arm are susceptible to injury and strain. The nerves and blood vessels of the arm can be pinched in the spine itself, the shoulder, the elbow, or the wrist. Compression can be caused by 3 different structures: bones, muscles, or ligaments. The bones of the spine can become misaligned, causing compression of the nerve. The muscles of the neck can become tense, pinching the nerves or blood vessels. And the ligaments of the wrist can pinch the nerve of the hand, causing carpal tunnel syndrome. Stretches can be a great way to reduce problems in the arm. Here are some exercises that will help keep your neck, shoulders, and arms tension-free. The shoulder blade pinch is good for releasing shoulder tension. With your arms by your side, bend your elbows to 90 degrees. Squeeze your shoulder blades together downward and backward. Keep your head and back straight and relaxed. Hold this stretch for 5 to 10 seconds, repeating 5 to 10 times. A common source of arm pain is tension in the upper shoulder and lower neck. The pectoral stretch helps relax the muscles in the shoulder that can pinch nerves and blood vessels that supply the arm. Place one forearm against a wall or door with your elbow level with your shoulder. Turn your body away from your arm. You'll feel a stretch in the front of your shoulder and in the chest. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds. Repeat 1 to 2 times on each side. Using a keyboard all day can cause tension in your forearms. There are 2 wrist stretches that can help. For the first one, hold your arm straight in front of you, palm down, and bend your wrist down. With your other hand, gently pull the hand down until you feel a stretch in the top of the wrist and forearm. To increase the stretch, make a relaxed fist. Hold for 5 to 10 seconds, repeating 2 to 3 times for each arm. For the second wrist stretch, hold your arm straight out in front of you, this time with your palm up. Bend your wrist with fingers pointing down. With your other hand, gently pull the fingers back to increase the stretch. Hold for 5 to 10 seconds and repeat 2 to 3 times. Stretching is a great way to keep your muscles active while sitting at your desk. When the muscles are stretched, it increases the flow of nutrients and oxygen to them, preventing strain and cramping. Stretches can be done right at your desk, and they only take a few minutes. Try to stretch as often as you can, at least every few hours. Remember, you shouldn't feel pain when stretching. If you do experience pain, consult your healthcare provider. Proper ergonomics, good posture, and stretching are all things that you can do to help prevent workplace tension and pain. Another great way to prevent or treat workplace tension is massage therapy. As we saw earlier, poor posture and tension can impinge on the nerves and blood vessels that pass through the neck, shoulder, and arm. Therapeutic massage is an effective way to reduce muscular tension, allowing the body to work efficiently and pain-free. Many people with workplace tension use medications to relieve pain. While drugs can reduce symptoms temporarily, they do nothing for the underlying cause of the pain. After the drugs wear off, the symptoms usually come right back and over time get worse. While stretches are a great way to reduce tension, a massage therapist is specifically trained to locate those areas of the body with tension and help your body stay healthy. While stretches are a great way to reduce tension, a massage therapist is specifically trained to locate those areas of the body with tension and help your body stay healthy. Massage therapy doesn't cover up the symptoms, but works by removing the root cause of the problem, the muscular tension. If you have pain, or if you would like to prevent symptoms in the future, ask your massage therapist how massage can help.